All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you know, last week I told you guys we were going to be doing a wire pulling the wire for all the pipes that I've been working on for the last 2 or 3 weeks. So here's the wire right here. So these are 500s, 500 kcml. These are aluminum, and they are already pre-phased. So most of the time, you just get all black wire, and you have to put tape on it to signify black, red, blue, white, and green. But these are the first time I've ever worked with these. These are really nice. So these come already colored. Black is pretty obvious. So they just color the red, the blue, the white, and I'll show you the green here in a second. Well, here's another one right here. All right, so like I said, everything's already colored, so that's nice. Just locking these up real quick. Now I was backing the forklift out, and I just smashed this box. So I was having a great day until I just smashed this about 2 minutes ago. And we probably don't have to replace it. We're just gonna bang it out back into place. So luckily, it's not too terrible. So that's very nice, except for the fact I hit it and damaged it. So anyways, here's the wire that we pulled in. There's a bunch of empty rolls downstairs. So we already pulled in basically 4 sets of wires. So basically this is, I don't know how much ever footage this is, but maybe like 500-600 feet. So we just basically take one of these big rolls and then pull it in. We just pulled it in over here. So we just pulled one in, cut it, and then kept pulling it off the same roll. So did that 4 times. So that giant roll behind me that I just showed you is going to be for these next 4. And then we went ahead and pulled in these 3-inchers. These are a little bit smaller. So those ones right there are the 500 kcml. And then these ones are 250 kcml, I believe. And then that was another 500. That was a separate roll. And some of them were a little bit short, so otherwise we would have done both of those and both of those, but we'll have to order some more wire for those 2. And we'll do these 500s tomorrow, and then I'll show you what we did downstairs. We did another couple pulls downstairs with some smaller wire. I think it was 1/0 or 3/0. Actually, yeah, I think those were 250s right there. If not, they were like a 1/0 or something like that. So anyways, all size matters. I'll go downstairs and show you real quick the other 2 wire pulls that we did, but basically that's all we did today. So it was super, I won't say super fun, but I enjoyed it. A little change of pace than hanging pipe all day, so it was nice to switch it up. And might have another full day of pulling wire tomorrow, I'm not sure. Depends if we get the other 2, if we get more wire ordered for this one and that one, but we'll see. I'll go show you the wire we got downstairs and the other wire pull that I did. So give me a second, I'll walk downstairs. So here we are. I guess they already locked this up or put the lid back on it, but we pulled the wire from this box right here, cut it, and then that goes all the way down to the electrical room behind that wall. So we'll just splice these 2 runs in later, which go right over to the wall right here, because that's not in yet. Otherwise we would have just measured it out or whatnot and then pulled it in right now, but only because that panel's not mounted, we cut it and we'll splice it in later. And we might have some other runs to do tomorrow, I'm not sure, but I'll go show you the wire here real quick. Alright guys, so here's all the wire that we have left downstairs. These are 600s right here. I have no idea what those are for. This is some more. Oh, we also did pull in the 2-inch with the LB, which I forgot to mention. So we pulled in that wire. We had to fish that in because we didn't have a string in it yet, so that we had to fight that because a whole bunch of 90s and it was just getting stuck, so we had to push a fish tape in and then grab it with another fish tape to get it out down at the electrical room side. And so we have this left. This was used for the 2-inch, and then this is all that's left, so there's a bunch left there. And then we have some wire over here, which I think is what we used for the 3-inch, maybe? No, I don't know. So maybe that's brand new. No, we used that. I think that, I don't even know anymore. So we might have used that coming through this pipe right here, the 2-inch, but this one's brand new. That one's got a bunch left, and then this one is empty. One of these is from the 500s, and the other one, actually both of these are from the 500s. One was the full 500 for the 4 inchers, and then the other one was for one of the other 4 inchers in the other gutter, or in the other junction box that has the 2 4 inchers. So hopefully that's not too confusing for you, but we'll probably get a couple more rolls of wire soon for the other ones that are short. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, and I'll see you. I already said that. And don't forget to check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks guys. See you tomorrow. God bless.